Probably you did. So I'm gonna start with I'm gonna use icicle shard because like ice is actually good against grass because ice freezes grass and it will make the grass die because it stops the grass from growing. So yeah. Does that make any sense? It does. But for some okay. I'm just gonna keep using icicle shard. So I'm going to keep using icicle shard until Spectral's HP is down to 0. 505 damage. Heck nah. Okay, he missed. Do this again. Where did you get that from? Right on his feet. His toenails. If Spectral dies, then I can try out my Sprout. If my Sprout dies, I try out my Wizard. Okay, I'm probably gonna defeat him. Defeat Gerald because he missed it like twice now. Okay. Why? So, 50 battle stars? Oh my god, guys, this close. This close. I almost got it. God, 50 battle stars. So this means I can do whatever I want in Firefly Forest.
Let's head back, okay?
Yes. Come on, say something.
Wow! You did it! As promised, here is the firefly gem.
I deserve it. I can't make faces.